Good day guys, welcome. So in this video I'll show you how to clear host cache in Chrome on mobile. So I'm using my Android phone currently. And guys, this command, or should I say the address that you need to input to get to the specific settings to clear it are actually identical to your, well, for example, laptop or a desktop PC version of Chrome, just a PC version, right? So Windows version. You just go into your search bar and you type in this command right here. Chrome, net internals, and DNS. So now press enter and you'll be taken to this little interface. And onto the DNS section, as you can see, we have a DNS lookup and host resolve cache. So under this text, you have this little button, clear host cache. I've already tapped on it just now and my cache has been cleared. You can do this the same way on both your Windows and your Android. So enjoy, this is your button. If this helped you out, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any feedback or questions, and I'll see you in the next one.